Hello students, welcome to Power Tutorials. So today we are going to have a live session on statistics chapter PYQs at the same time with formula based as well. So total we are going to cover 8 marks from this question, in this video. 8 questions in this video which are related to mean, median, mode and the empirical formula. So just give me 2 minutes, I'll just check whether audio, video, everything is fine. Okay, let me check whether audio is fine. Hello everyone. So hello everyone, welcome back to Power Tutorials. So in this live video we're going to cover Maths Class 10 CBSE Board Statistics chapter, that is with the questions, 8 previous year questions I'm going to discuss in this video, along with the formulas related to it, which are mode, median and mean, and also the empirical formula. Okay, so we're going to discuss about all those formulas and 8 questions. The weightage from this statistics chapter is minimum you will get 4 marks and maximum you can get 6 marks from this chapter, among which you will have at least one 4 mark question and one 5 mark question for sure from this chapter. Okay, so I can say this is one of the easiest chapter to score at least 4 marks. Okay, because it is directly formula based, there is no thinking, no theorem based, no formula based anything. Formula, yes, it is there, but very small formulas, not a big formulas. Okay, so let's cover those formulas first. As I mentioned, I have total 4 formulas: mean, median and mode, and then we have one empirical formula, and then we are going to cover the 8 PYQs which I am going to plan in this video. So I will try at least 6 questions. So based upon the audience, I will try to cover the 8th question as well. Okay, so let's start with the formulas first. For mean, total we have 2 formulas. First one is sigma f into x by sigma f, where f is frequency and x is the value for this particular frequency. And then we have assumed mean method. So for assumed mean, the formula will change to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So this I am going to explain with the questions, because we are going to solve all the mean questions using assumed mean method only. Okay, and then for median we have a formula called which is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Okay, where L is the lowest limit of that median class, n by 2 is the half of the total number of values. For suppose we have number of students as 10, then n by 2 will become 5. Cf is the cumulative frequency of the preceding, not the same. Okay, I will write this one part. Cumulative frequency of preceding, not succeeding. Preceding means one before the median class. Okay, and then we have mode formula. Mode formula is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. f1 is the model class, f0 is one before the model class, f2 is succeeding class. Okay, so this don't worry about the formulas, because I am going to cover at least one question from all 3. Okay, mean, median and mode, and also will cover, we have one PYQ question which is related to empirical formula. The empirical formula will state the relation between mean, median and mode. So what is the relation is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so this is the formula where we have the relation between mode, median and mean. Okay, so now we are going to use only these. This is enough from this entire chapter. If you remember all these formulas and know how to apply in the questions, then you can easily score 4 to 6 marks from this chapter in the board exam. Okay, so now let's understand how to use this formulas in our questions. First one, there's in this question they have provided mean, median. They are asking mode. Sorry, mode and mean they have provided and they are asking median. So whatever it is, any two they will provide and other they will ask. So simply have to use the empirical formula, which is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Let's solve this. I'll write the formula again. Empirical formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So what is mode value? 15x is equal to median. We need to find. I'll keep it as y minus 2 into mean is how much? 18x. Okay, so 15x plus 36x is equal to 3y, where y is the median. So 51x is equal to 3y, or y is equal to 51x by 3. 3 ones, 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So the median value is 70x. See, this is very easy question. Just you have to use that empirical formula, because 2 they have provided, they are asking the third value. Simply substitute those 2 and get the third value. Hope it's clear. Okay, now let's move to the next one. So most of the papers you can see there will be at least one table. That table question is nothing but the statistics level question. They can ask you median, mean or mode related to the table, and this weightage, this question weightage is 5 marks. As I told you, you'll get at least 1 5 marks or 1 4 marks from this chapter. So simply wherever you find a table, that is nothing but the statistics level question. Okay, let's see the question here. Find the missing frequency f in the following table if the mean of the given data is 18, hence find the value of mode. So in this question they provided you mean value and they are asking the value of f. Okay, so first we'll use assumed mean method, and let's find the value of, okay, equate the formula of mean and get the value of f, and then using that f value we're going to solve the mode as well. Okay, so these are the class intervals and these are the f values, that is frequency values, but for mean we need the x value as well. So x value is nothing but the median or mid value of this value. So 11 13 mid value is 12, 13 15 mid value is 14, so and so on. I'll just write for others 16 18 20 22 24. Okay, so but I'm not using sigma fx first formula, I'm using assumed mean method, so hence I need to write the d values. So d are nothing but xi minus e. Okay, so assumed mean method, I already know the mean value 18, so I assume this as the mean again. Okay, so now xi 12 minus 18 is minus 6, 14 minus 18 minus 4, 16 minus 18 minus 2, 18 minus 18 is 0, 20 minus 18 2, 22 minus 20 is 22 minus 18 is 4, and this is 6. So I got xi and xi minus a values. Now I'm going to find the mean using the empirical formula. So before that I need to get sigma fx fi value, and I need to get sigma xi minus a value. Okay, so 17 plus 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 9 22, 22 plus 13 35, 35 plus 5 40, 40 plus 4 44. So I have added sigma f, I got 44 plus f. Okay, so what about here? Okay, not this value, I need to get sigma fida. Get here fida value. Okay, so this I need to calculate. I need to calculate sigma fida. So these are the frequency, these are DI. 7 into 6 minus 42, 6 into minus 4 is minus 24, 9 into 2 minus 18, 0, 2f, 5 4 20, 6 4 is 24. Okay, so let's add this. 20 plus 4 is 44, 44 minus 42 is 2, 2 minus 24 is minus 22, minus 22 minus 18 is minus 40. So it is 25 minus 40. Yeah, hi Shravani, thanks for joining. So Shravani, in this video I'm going to explain about statistics formulas along with the PYQs. So if you have any doubts related to the solutions which I'm explaining in this video, do mention in the live chat. I'll definitely check and respond to you. So let's continue. So now we have sigma FIDA value and sigma F value also we have. So what is the mean formula? Mean is equal to sigma A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fa. What is A value you have assumed? You have assumed the value is 18. The mean also they provided the value is 18. So this is 18 is equal to 18 plus 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f. I'm going to write in the next, so 18 gets cancelled out. So this becomes 0 is equal to 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f. So this becomes to 0. So simply 2f is equal to 40. So the hence f value is nothing but 20. So now I got the frequency or the f value in the question, which is 20. Okay, so this mean I will remove here. Write it in the next slide because this table I need to no need to redraw it again. I can directly use this part. Okay, so let me just, for mean I will write it again here. So mean formula I will just write it first. So mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. So mean they have provided 18. I have also assumed the same value 18 plus 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f. So 18 just be 0. So 2f minus 40 is equal to 0. Hence I got the f value as 20. Okay, now let's see the next part. They are also asking mean. Now I got the f value as 20. So for mode, what is the formula? Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So here mode is the value which is having for the highest frequency. If you notice here, what is the highest frequency? 20 is the highest frequency. So this is the modal class. For median, I will tell you, for median it will be n by 2, whereas for mode it is highest frequency. So I'll write it in the formula page as well. For mode, you have to consider for highest frequency, whereas for median, I have to consider for n by 2 frequency. Okay, so let's go for this question. We have modal class here. N is 19, L is the lower interval. F0, F1 is 20, we already have it. F0 is frequency of the before, I mean the preceding class. So before is 13, F0 is 13, F2 is succeeding one. So F2 here succeeding is 5. H value is the class interval difference. So here the H value is 2. Okay, let's substitute here. 19 plus F1 is 20, F0 is 13 by 2F1. So 2 into 20 is 40 minus 13 minus 5 into 2. So this becomes 19 plus 7 by 40 minus 18 is 22 into 2, 2 ones, 2 11s. 7 by 11 I'll get as 0.11 is 66, 40 again 3 again 6, so it becomes 19.636. So 19.636 is the mode value. See, I simply substituted in the formula, got the mode as well as the value. So hence I am saying from this chapter we can easily score the 5 marks questions, you can easily solve it. At the same time you can also solve the 4 marks questions as well. Just remember the formula and just try to apply it how it is needed. Okay, let's solve the same type of question in another set. This is also for 5 marks. So simply they are asking mean and mode. Okay, so for this, for mode I told you, for mean we need to have the x values, and then I'll also use the assumed mean values. So simply I need to get the DI values as well. So first let's write xi values. So xi is the mid value, 10, 5 mid value is 5, 15, so I'll simply write 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I'm sorry. 25, 35, 45, 55, 60. Now what is D value? So for this I will assume the mid value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will assume the mid value as assumed mean, which is 35. I am assuming it as mean value. So 35 minus 5, 30. 35 minus 15, 20. This will be 10, 0. xi minus c. Okay, now this is 35, this is 10, and this is 20, and this is 30. Now I got the DI values. Now DI into Fi I need to do. Always prefer to use assumed mean method unless they have mentioned not to use it. Okay, because assumed mean method is easiest way to solve the mean values. Don't use f sigma fx by xi because that will be little lengthy, because you need to do calculations as bigger values. Okay, now 8 into minus 30. 8 into minus 30 is minus 240. 7 into minus 20 minus 140. 15 into 10 is minus 150. 0. 12 tens 120, 12 18 8 20s 160, 10 30s 300. So add these first, and then add these first second, and then simply subtract. We'll get the sigma FIDI value. So this I will add first. 160 180 is, sorry, 120 160 180 180 280. 280 plus 300 is 480. 280 300 580 minus this 2, if I add it, I will get 380. 380 plus 150, 530. So 580 minus 530 is 50. So I got sigma FIDI value as 50. What about sigma FI also I need? 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 20 70, 70 plus 10 80. You can also cross check these values if you want, because always remember while doing mind calculations there can be mistakes. So do let a cross check second time also. If you get the same value, then your calculation is correct. So okay, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 12 42, 42 plus 8 50, 50 plus 10 60. See, somewhere there is some mistake. Let me check. 15 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 12 62, 62 plus 8 70 plus 10 80. Okay, last time 15 plus 15 30, 30 plus 20 50, 50 plus 12 62, 62 plus 8 70 plus 10 is 80. Since sigma f is 80, sigma FID is 50, assume a value is 35. Substitute and get the mean value. So mean, always write the formula also while you are solving this type of questions. Okay, so a plus sigma FIDI by sigma f. So a value is how much? 35. 35 plus sigma FIDI, how much I got? 50 by sigma FI is 8. 8 6 are 48, 20, 8 to the 16, 40. So the final answer is 35.625. This is mean value. So let's check for here as well. 380, 480, 380, 530. Okay. 280, 580. Correct. Now let's solve mode for the same question. So mode is a mode formula. Let's write it first. L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, mode I told you it is for the highest frequency. So what is highest frequency here? 20. So this is the modal class. Okay, so this L value is 20. L value is this one. L value is 30. 30 plus f1 is the modal class frequency. F1 is 20. F0. Okay, I will write it here. This is f1. This is f0, and this is f2. Okay, 20 minus 15 by 2 into 20 is 40 minus 15 minus what is f2? F2 is 12 into h value is 20. H value is 10. So this becomes 30 plus 20 minus 15 is 5 by 4 minus 40 minus 15 is 15. 15 minus 40 minus 15 is 25. 25 minus 15, 40 minus 27, 13. So it is 5 by 13 into 10. So this becomes 30 plus 50 by 13. 13 3 is 39. 11 110. 13 table 110. 13 sevens. 13 sevens are 91. So 7s 91. 13 8s, 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 8 1 0, 60, 13 5s are 65, 13 4s, 3.84. Hence the mode value is 33.84. Yeah, hi Shravani, thanks for joining again. So till now we have covered 3 questions. Okay. సో శ్రావణి మీరు తెలుగుగానే అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో నేను స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్స్వి సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో మీకు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ రిలేటెడ్ ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీరు కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి. నేను చెక్ చేసి మీకు డెఫినెట్గా మళ్ళీ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను. ఇది మ్యాక్సిమం సిబిఎస్ఈ స్టూడెంట్స్ వీళ్ళందరూ హోల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా ఉంటారు కాబట్టి నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో మ్యాక్సిమం ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. కాకపోతే మీకు తెలుగులో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వచ్చినా మీరు తెలుగులో అయినా అడగచ్చు, మేము డెఫినెట్గా మీకు రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాను. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్. సో కేస్ స్టడీ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. సో ఇన్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇన్ ద The Indian Meteorological Department observes seasonal and annual rainfall every year in different subdivisions of our country. It helps us to compare and analyze the results. The table below shows subdivisions wise seasonal monsoon rainfall in 2023. So they have given a table. They are asking model, mean, and mean. So all three they are asking in this question. So let's solve one by one. Okay, first we'll solve for mean and then mode and then median. Okay, so for mean I told you for every time we need to solve x1 xi value, శ్రావణి గారు మన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో కూడా ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఎన్సైటీ సిలబస్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు. సో మీకు కూడా డెఫినెట్గా సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, బట్ మన వెయిటేజ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది సిబిఎస్ఈ బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ పోలిస్తే. కాకపోతే సిలబస్ అయితే సేమ్. కాబట్టి మీరు కూడా నేను వేరియస్ వీడియోస్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను మన యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లోని, వేరే వేరే చాప్టర్స్ రిలేటెడ్వి. సో మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఆ వీడియోస్ కూడా చెక్ చేసి, అండ్ అలాగే నేను ప్రతిరోజు కమ్యూనిటీ సెక్షన్లోని 2 MCQs పెడుతున్నాను, ఒకటి మ్యాథ్స్ ఇంకోటి సైన్స్. సో మీకు ఒకవేళ MCQs అయినా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలనిపిస్తే మా కమ్యూనిటీ సెక్షన్ చెక్ చేయండి. అక్కడ డెఫినెట్గా మీకు డైలీ 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి విత్ ఆప్షన్స్. అలాగే నేను హింట్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కూడా నేను మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను, మీకు అది ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. So నేను కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను. సో xi value we're going to find, and then we're going to find dA value, and last we're going to find sigma fi dA value. Okay, so let's continue. So xi value is the mid of this 200 to 300. The mid value is 300, 400 to 600. So 500, 700, 900, 1100, 1300. Okay, then we are going to solve dA value. So dA value is how much, which we have to assume it, and then we need to find using xi minus a value. So here I'm keeping the mid values. Okay, I will take this as a value. Okay, anyway, this or this you can take it, you will get the same answer. So assume method, I'm taking 700 as a value. So what I need to do, I need to do xi minus a. So 300 minus 700 is minus 400. 300 minus, I'm sorry, yeah, 500 minus 700 is minus 200. This is 0. 900 minus 700 is 200. 1100 minus 700 is 400. 1300 minus 700 is 600. Okay, now let's find sigma fi dA. So 3 into minus 400 is minus 1200. 4 into minus 200 minus 800. This is 0. 4 into 200 is 800. 3 into 4 is 1200. 3 into 6 is 1800. Okay, so if you notice here, 1200, 1800, 800, 800, 1200, all 4 gets cancelled, so only remaining is 1800. What about sigma fi? We need to add this. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24. Let's add it again. 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24. Okay, so we have sigma fi value and sigma fi dA value. Let's solve the mean formula. Mean is a plus, assuming we are using was 700 here, a plus sigma fi dA, which is 1800, by sigma fi, which is 24. So I'll do it in the next slide. 700 plus 1800 by 24. So 4 table let's cancel. 4 6 are 24, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 0. Again 6 table, yes, 6 1 is 6, 6 7 is 42, 6 5 is 30. So the mean value answer is 775. Okay, let's solve median now. Okay, let's solve mode first and then I'll solve median, because for median we need to find cumulative frequencies. That will become, I need to add it here and do it somewhere. Yes, Ravani garu, correct. 775 is the mean value. Let's solve median. Sorry, I told you, let's solve mode first. So for mode, what is the formula? It is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. ఎస్ రావణి గారు, నేను ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఆల్రెడీ సాల్వ్ చేస్తాను. లైక్ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో మీరు నా లైవ్ సెక్షన్ చెక్ చేయండి, మీకు అక్కడ వీడియో కనిపిస్తుంది ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ మీద. నేను ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ మీద 30 PYQ క్వశ్చన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేశాను. మీరు నా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చెక్ లైవ్ సెక్షన్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో అయిపోయిన తర్వాత మీకు అక్కడ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ క్వశ్చన్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. నేను ఎప్పుడు సాల్వ్ చేశాను, 2 days బ్యాక్ మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది. ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ CBSE క్లాస్ 10 2025 PYQS అని కనిపిస్తుంది. ఆ వీడియో చెక్ చేయండి, మీకు అక్కడ 30 PYQ క్వశ్చన్స్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ఆల్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ కనిపిస్తాయి. ఆ లింక్ కాపీ చేసి మీకు పేస్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఒక నిమిషం, జస్ట్ ఆ లింక్ కాపీ చేస్తున్నాను. సో శ్రేణి, ఐ హ్యావ్ పేస్టెడ్ ద లింక్ ఫర్ ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్. సో అది చెక్ చేసి మీరు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే ఆ వీడియోలో కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి, మీకు డెఫినెట్గా నేను చెక్ ఆన్సర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ విత్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. So we are going to find mode for this. Okay, wait, they are not asking mode here. Okay, simply they are asking what is modal class. For class we need to find the mode. So modal class is nothing but which is having the highest frequency. So here this is the modal class. So 600 to 800 is a modal class. So for this question I'll directly write modal class is 600 to 800, ఎందుకంటే modal class is the class which is having higher frequency. So mean we have just found, which is 775. So median we'll going to find, but before for practice I'm going to solve the mode as well. Okay, so for mode we'll solve first mode. This is, so for mode the L value 600. F1 value is, this one is F1, this is F0 and this is F2. Okay, so 7 minus 4 by 2 into 7 minus 4 minus, what is F2 value? F2 is 4. Okay, F1 F2 both are 4 4. Okay, and H value is the class interval difference. So here it is 600 to 800, so 200 is the class interval difference. Okay, so it is 600 plus 7 minus 4 is 3 by 7 2 is a 14, 14 minus 8 it is 6 into 200, 3 ones, 3 twos, 2 ones, 2 hundreds. So the mode value got it as 700. Okay, now let's solve for median. So median, what is the formula? Median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is CF here? CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So here let's find cumulative frequencies. I will write the cumulative frequencies to the left side, but in your main exam make sure to write it to the right side. Okay, so here let's write CF values. So CF is cumulative frequencies, which is need to just add all the frequencies, like 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 18, 18 plus 3 21, 21 plus 3 24. Always remember the CF, all the last CF should be equal to the sigma CF. Okay, if these two any difference is there, then your calculation is wrong. Okay, so now for median you have to consider the n by 2 class. 24 by 2 is 12, 12 is belonging to 14. Okay, so this is a model or median, both belong to same class here, but in other questions it can vary. Okay, so for this question it belongs to here. So L value is 600 again. N by 2 is 24 by 2, which is 12. CF, as I told you, it is cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So preceding class cumulative frequency is this one. So this is CF. Okay, so 7 is the CF here for the model median calculation. N by 2 minus CF by F is the frequency of median class. So median class is this one, frequency is 7. H value is 200. Okay, so it is 600 plus 12 minus 7 is 5 by 7 into 200. Okay, so this is 600 plus 1000 by 7, 7 1 just 7, 30, 7 4 is 28, 20, 7 2 is 14, 6, 7 8 is 56, 40, 7 5 is 35. So this answer is 742.87 is the median. Okay, we have covered the median, mode and mean questions. So let's see the other one more question. If a subdivision having at least 800 mm rainfall during monsoon season is considered as a good rainfall subdivision, then how many subdivisions has good rainfall? So simply at least 800. So after 800 how many are there? So here it is just before 800. 742.85, 42.87 I got it. Let me cross check then. 717, 30, 72 is 14, 60. Wait, 7 4 is 28. Sorry, 27 2 is 14, 60, 7 8 is 56, 40. Yes, correct, Sravani, your answer is correct. It should be 7 5 is 35, then 50. Yes, it should be 142.85, not 87. Thanks for correcting. Let's move to the next question. So in this question they are asking, if a subdivision having at least 800 mm rainfall during monsoon season is considered as a good rainfall subdivision, then how many subdivisions? So simply how many are greater than 800 we need to consider. So greater than 800 are combining of all these three. Okay, because these are having greater than 800, which is 4 plus 3 plus 3. I'll write all three values. 4 plus 3 plus 3, which is 7 plus 10, which is 10. So 10 seasons or 10 subdivisions has good rainfall because they have considered at least 800 as the value. So from 800 to last we need to consider 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, let's move to the next one. So this is from another set where we have two MCQ questions. So let's solve this. The cumulative frequency for calculating median is obtained by adding the cumulative frequencies for all classes up to the median, following the median, preceding the median, all classes. So we need to write cumulative frequencies up to the median. A should be the right answer. Why? Because if you remember, for calculating cumulative frequencies here, for median formula, I told you we have to consider the CF one before that model median class. Okay, so this way we have to write till up to the median class, not following the median class or preceding them. Okay, wait, preceding the median class. I'm sorry, it's not up to, it is preceding the median class. One before that we have to stop it. Okay, so this way it is preceding the median class. If it is following, then it is after the median class, or up to the median also you should not consider. You should only consider CF preceding the median class. Okay, let's solve the next one. Shravani, can you try the seventh one? Because the empirical formula already explained. I want you to try this and tell me the answer for seventh one. Just try the seventh question. Formula, I'll write it again. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 median. Okay, use this and tell me the answer. I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, good. Let me check. Asking mode. So simply 3 into median is 11 minus 2 into mean value is 10. So it is 33 minus 20, which is 30. Hence C is the right answer. Correct, Shravani, you did great. So then we have one more question for today's class. Let's solve this. So after this we'll conclude with the next one. Just a minute. Okay, let's start the last question for today. So in the following table shows a number of patients of different age group which were discharged from the hospital a particular month. Okay, here also same, we are need to find mode and mean and mode. Okay, so let's solve mode mean first. So xi values, xi is mid of 5 and 15 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's it. Okay, total they have already provided, so no need to write total. Xi is 10, they need to find dA values, so I will assume the mid value, assumed mean value, and here I will write as 30, I will take it. Okay, so 10 minus 30 is minus 20, 10 minus 30, so 20 minus 30 is minus 10, this is 0, 10, 20, 30. Okay, next I need to find XIDA value. So 5, not XIDA, FIDA value. 6 into minus 20 is minus 120. 11 into minus 10 minus 110, this is 0. 23 into 10 is 230. 14 into 20, 280. 5 into 30, 150. So Shravani, can you try and tell me sigma FIDA value? Sigma FI is already provided 80. So just try to calculate this value and tell me. I'll give you 2 more minutes. So once I have sigma FIDA, I can easily substitute in the main formula and I'll get the answer. Okay, let me solve this. So 230 plus 280 is 510. 510 plus 60, sorry, 510 plus 150 is 660. 660 minus 120, 110 is 330. So 660 minus 330, I will get 330. So sigma FIDA value is 330. So substitute in the formula, which is L is, sorry, mean formula sigma FIDA. A value is how much I have assumed? A value is 30. So this is 30 plus sigma FIDA, how much I got? 330 by sigma FI is how much? 80. Okay, solve the entire question. Very good. Let me check it. Check your answers, Shravani, once again. Because 33 by 8, 4 is 32, 10, 8 1 8, 20, 8 2 is 16. So it is 30 plus 4.125. It should be 34.125. Can you check the mean formula once again? Or are you solving mode first? Assumed mean. So mean I am assumed as 30 here. So it is 30 plus sigma FIDA is 330 by sigma FI. which is okay, very good. So it should be 34.125. So let's solve the last question for today, which is mode. So for mode, the highest frequency should be the considered. So here this should be the modal class because this is having highest frequency as 23. So I'll write this as f1, this will be f0, and this will be f2. So simply substitute, and L value is this one, which is 35. So let mode formula first. So what is mode? Mode is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. H is the difference of the class interval. So L value is how much? L value is 35. 35 plus f1 23, f0 21, 23 minus 21 by 2 into 23 is 46 minus 21 minus f2 is 14, and what is class interval difference, which is 10. So this becomes 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2, 46 minus 35 is 11 into 10. So this becomes 35 plus 20 by 11, 11 20 is 11 ones 11, 90, 11 8s 88, 20 again 1. So it is 35 plus 1.81, which is 36.81 is the mode for this question. This round you can also try and let me know if you are getting the same answer. Okay, I think Shravani has dropped from the video. Okay, so Shravani, once you have time, just check. Let me know if you have any doubts. అండ్ ఒకవేళ మీకు వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా 10th క్లాస్ అయితే వాళ్ళు కూడా షేర్ చేయండి, వాళ్ళు కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో ఐఎమ్ కంక్లూడింగ్ నౌ. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్. So now I will stop maths classes and will again continue with science PYQs. So mostly today if possible, or else tomorrow at the same 1 p.m. I'll have we'll start with science, and mostly tomorrow 1 p.m. or 8 p.m. we'll have a live video on science. Okay, thank you Shravani garu, thank you so much. So next video we'll have science PYQs, and tomorrow I'll try to cover chemical equations chapter. So chemical equations PYQs will cover at least 10 plus PYQs tomorrow at 1 p.m. live session, or ఒకవేళ in case miss అయితే we'll have a live session at 9 p.m. okay, but mostly we'll have live session at 1 p.m. itself. FPO mains. Okay, so all the best Shravani. All the best Shravani garu, do your best. Okay, మీకు మ్యాథ్స్ అయితే నేను ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ ఇలాంటి వేరే టాపిక్స్ కూడా చేస్తాను, అది మీ ఎఫ్బిఐ ఎగ్జామ్కి యూజ్ అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఒకసారి అలాంటి వీడియోస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే చెక్ చేయండి. మీకు ఆ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి, మీకు డెఫినెట్గా నేను రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.